377度のにゃらびでにゃくにゃくいにゃにゃくにゃにゃはんにゃにゃじゃいにゃにゃくにゃらべてにゃがにゃがめ。
Monogatari. Now what makes Monogatari so special is the way the anime is presented and how diverse and interconnected all the things are. Now in this video I will be talking about why you should watch the series in different parts. So let's get started.
バレンタインデーのチョコだぞっと。どう？おいしい？おいしいこよこよ。おいしい？
First of all, the main character Araragi is our main protagonist. I feel he should be talked about. Everyone realizes that Araragi is a pervert, but if that's all you can see, you are missing the picture. Something to keep in mind is Araragi isn't 100% okay with how he acts in some situations. He will help anyone regardless of the problem and is actually a very good friend. Araragi is a very deep character that you should take some time and get to know. Yes, you're right, he is a pervert, but just try and look past it. Secondly, the plot. The plot at first is simple. Araragi is helping a bunch of people with apparitions. The plot doesn't seem to be much, and this is where they get you. Underneath all that fan service and talking, there is a plot unfolding, but due to the order in which the story is told, you do not even realize what is happening. Everything in Monogatari is connected, and I mean everything. Everything in the anime happens because it plays a part in the bigger picture, and it seems the only one who knows what that is good old Jean. So if you're just starting the series, pay attention no matter how pointless it seems. The series is actually making fun of harems. Ever wondering what would happen if the MC actually dated a female from his harem? Well, here you go. Monogatari is actually faking while trying to a real harem genre. This is one of the themes in the series. This is just an example, but the themes of the series are amazing. Even the idea of apparitions are a metaphor for the themes. If I told you what they were, that would take the fun away from figuring them out, wouldn't it? The way they show them in the anime is just amazing. The arcs and how they connect throughout the story is amazing, and the characters are just breathtaking. Every single one is waifu material. Let it be Senjogahara.
違いしないでよね。私は本当は荒木くんみたいな人間のクズのことは大嫌いなんだ。
Let it be Hanekawa.
はっ倒すよ。
Let it be Kambaru.
あ、ちょっと待ってくれるかな、荒木先輩。すぐに裸になるから。
Let it be Shinobu.
ミスタードーナツが今全品100円セールを行っておるらしい。
Or let it be Hachikuji.
私は八九時迷いと言います。お父さんとお母さんがくれた大切なお名前です。
Let it be Nadeko.
可愛くなかったら月日ちゃんはあの時なでこと友達にはなってくれなかった。
Let it be Ononoki.
イエーイ、お兄ちゃん、ピースピース。
Or the sisters.
ごっこじゃないよ兄ちゃん。正義の味方じゃなくて正義そのものだよお兄ちゃん。
The story is in many parts, starting with Bakemonogatari, which means monster story, and the introduction to the characters is based on the problems of Senjogahara. I won't talk further or you will get spoiled. The next is Nisei Monogatari, and based on the two kawaii sisters of the MC. Following is Neko Monogatari Black, and is based on Hanekawa, the former classmate of the MC. Up next is Monogatari second season, and contains a lot of sub Monogatari, so let's not go too deep. Next is Hana Monogatari based on Kambaru Suruga, the underclassman of the MC. Then is Suki Monogatari based on the youngest sister Sukihi. Next is Ovari Monogatari, which means end story. Up next are the three movies, namely Kizu Monogatari and its 3 parts based on the past of the MC from the first season. Next is Koyomi Monogatari and based on the MC himself. And the final part is Ovari Monogatari second season with a conclusion. These were all the parts of the Monogatari series in sequential order. Some of the greatest openings and endings I have ever seen. Each time a new character arc starts, new opening, always look forward to it. The openings and endings are amazing. The OST isn't that bad either. There are some sick tracks on that thing. Some nice tunes. You will come to love all the openings and the endings through, guaranteed. To wrap up, I would like to say at least give it a chance. It is honestly worth in the end. The characters will touch your heart and stuff, and the story is like one big game of connect the dots. There is a plot, I swear, in more than one ways, but seriously, I would recommend this to anyone. I would just warn them about the fan service and sexual content sometimes. It, though everything apart, it is an amazing anime regardless.